do a quick get ready with me. I just finished actually filming a skincare video for you guys, so we're gonna get into just some quick makeup for my day. I'm gonna film some videos for you guys. I'll start with brows just because that's usually what I do, and I feel like I look funny without doing my brows a little bit. It's currently summertime here in Myrtle Beach, and I have been trying to be better with more natural makeup, embracing it, and also embracing my natural hair. As you can see, the hair is clearly not done, but I found a really good routine with embracing my hair, and I've been loving it actually lately. Next week I have to go back to Fort Lauderdale. I am going to a batch trip. I'm also shooting it. For those who are new on here, I'm a photographer. Debating doing like a little vlog for you guys of like our day in like Fort Lauderdale, what we do. It's my first time ever going on a batch trip, so it's kind of cool. I've been really excited about my new skincare routine though that I'm posting for you guys. I just started a new regimen. I pretty much am doing a whole bunch of anti-aging things, also lifting, like firming of the face. It's like the first thing that you can tell with aging is your face, and like I get a lot of fluid in my face also, and I have really dry skin. I found Scent's product that was awesome, so go check out that video. It's actually really, really cool. Makeup by Mario sent me an eyeshadow palette, one of their newer ones, which I actually love more than his original, I think. And this one is in Master Mattes, the neutrals. It's a little more gray tones, less warm tones. I like using Makeup by Mario's eyeshadows for like daily stuff. Is it like super long wearing his eyeshadows? No, in my opinion, but just for like a normal day where you're not really doing much, it's, you know, it's fine. If you guys have any recommendations on Fort Lauderdale, please let me know. I've been to Fort Lauderdale quite a few times. It's kind of one of our easy on-the-go trips. We live in Charleston and Myrtle Beach, so it's kind of like convenient for us, and we already know the area. Do one night of the trip in Miami. Like, we're not staying overnight, but we're gonna go to Sexy Fish, which if you know what Sexy Fish is, it is pretty much a like a tourist trap, but it's beautiful, really cool bar. It's like where all the girls go for cute pictures. They have the really cool famous bathrooms. We had dinner there for my 25th birthday. We went there. I got reservations. It was kind of early because that's all they had, and the food was awful. Do not get the food. The drinks are good. The food is awful there. Very disappointing. And we got there so early, so we didn't get to see much of like what was going on, the really cool stuff that happens at night. For my lashes, I love the Shiseido eyelash curler. Another Makeup by Mario product I love is eyeliners. I've used this for years since it came out. I remember when this was like sold out like crazy. We rented out a big beach house for this trip also, and it has a pool and everything, so it'll be really, really cool. Mostly be eating and like pre-gaming at the house and doing stuff there. I know most of the girls, except for like maybe one or two. I just got a eyelash in my eye, and if you have contacts, you know it's like the end of the world, so bear with me. Products, which is my tinted SPF I use every day. I don't wear a foundation every day anymore. I pretty much wear this and concealer. It looks like it's like full coverage without looking like you're wearing a full face of makeup. It's kind of cool. If you need like a good tinted SPF that's like good ingredients, this one's incredible. And as always, I have everything linked below for you guys. Do not tan my face, so I have to wear darker face products to even it out. And I bronze a lot too, but tan my neck too. My neck never will tan. I don't know if it's just me. I've been really big on correcting my under eyes. It's just kind of like no point in doing concealer if you have natural darkness right here and you need to cover it. It just makes your under eyes look gray if you don't do this. Oh, I forgot I have coffee in my living room I need to be drinking. I'm being very productive today. Do you guys know that feeling? It's just like the best ever. I'm trying to get in a better mood. I've had a really, really awful week. Treating yourself helps a lot. Get excited about the little things is kind of what I do. Try not to drink caffeine when I'm having a hard time because I have really bad palpitations, but I wanted to be productive today. I'm kind of shaking because I'm hungry, and I've been filming for an hour and now I'm hungry. God dang it. This is pretty much my daytime makeup, and I only wear foundation if I like really want like to be glammed up. Okay, the Frizz creases. take my powder. I've been using this again lately. I don't love this. I just feel weird not using it. I don't know why. I prefer my beauty blender, honestly. I use that dry. You can probably hear Biscuit walking around in the background. The center of my face, just because I don't want to be shiny there, and I have a lot of texture in the center of my face. I feel like this summer has been weird. It doesn't feel like summer. I'm not sure if it's just me. I saw someone else post this on TikTok. It just doesn't feel like summer this year. It's kind of like it's here, but it's not. Weird. I've had a lot go on this summer, unfortunately. That's been really tough. So like, one day I'll be on the boat, the next day I'll be crying, and then it's like, you know, it's kind of how my summer's been going, unfortunately. But all positive. Got myself coffee. I've been on a really good diet lately. I figured out high protein, which you guys go watch that video if you want high protein advice. We're gonna use my favorite bronzer, the Milk Makeup Bronzer. I love this stuff. They did send me their setting spray and their primer, which a lot of people love, the Hydro Grip Primer and their setting spray. We might use that today, actually. Still testing it out, can't say much about it. It doesn't really break me out that I've noticed. Yeah, this whole week is also super gloomy, so my lighting in my videos is just gonna be weird, so bear with me. I pretty much decided to refinance my house also. If you know what that is, it's pretty much like you're reclosing on your house, which is very expensive and time consuming. It's a lot. I'm going through that right now, which is awful. So, I mean, it's not that bad, it's just a lot to deal with. It's very expensive, so. What I've been loving lately is the Infallible powder. I have this in a darker shade and I use it as a bronzer. Most perfect neutral shade. It's not orange by any means, and it adds a little bit of coverage. See? This kind of blends on in. Milk Makeup also sent me some of their blushes, and if you guys follow me on TikTok, I went in detail about this, but I officially found my like perfect blush shade, and it's because they sent me this, and it's the shade Work. Oh my god, it's incredible. Haven't found my perfect blush shade in so long. It looks like my skin. So I just apply it like this. Another thing I do to like, you know, make myself feel better is like my boyfriend and I, like if we both have off, he doesn't have off, but we both work from home some days. We'll be like, okay, this afternoon, like around 3 o'clock, we'll take a work break. We do long distance, FYI. And we're gonna watch an episode of Suits, just like in the middle of the afternoon for like an hour and take a break and make it fun. You know, it kind of makes you look forward to something, especially when you're having really long, hard days. It's kind of nice to look forward to something that's not so straining. I've been loving this lip liner lately. This is viral all over TikTok. It is NYX lip liner, and I'll have the shade and everything linked below. But this is viral as like the most perfect shade. Like that. So I pretty much just do it as a liner, and I try to use like a lip tint. I love the Palladio lip tint, my favorite shade. And for lip gloss, I use like a lip balm half the time, some Ardescu one. Like if I'm not leaving my house, I'm not gonna waste my lip gloss, you know? It's Friday. I am working all weekend pretty much, just at home because I have this trip next week, and it is gonna take up a lot of my time. And my mom comes in, and it's just like I'm not gonna have time to do stuff next week, so I'm just knocking it all out this weekend, which I do a lot. You know, I like work hard, play hard. Like it's all about balance, even if it takes up a whole weekend. You know, today we're gonna switch it up. We're gonna use the Milk setting spray. Make sure you shake it up because it does separate. We're gonna use this today. You guys know I love my Milani, and then for heavy duty days, I use my One Size Beauty stuff. This is why I love this makeup. It literally, if you look up close, you can still see through my skin, but I still look flawless in a way. So yeah, thanks for getting right with me, and I'll talk to you guys soon.